Hello everyone, we are Group 1.
In the first big section, Professor Gong, who is the founder of Carotech, a biotechnological company, shared his view on deep innovation and knowledge-based entrepreneurship. He considered that independent innovation is the foundation for the survival of modern high-tech enterprises, and deep innovation is the magic weapon for thriving of high-tech medicine and bioscience enterprises. He also stressed the importance of good shareholding structure and excellent team. The company's biotechnology chiral columns can provide excellent separations for chiral drug components, which cannot be separated by other commercial columns. In the future, this technology can be easily applied as full functional sample preparation station for automatic sample pre-treatments. For example, it can be widely used for early and accurate diagnosis of major diseases such as cancer.
I will talk about Session 2. In this session, the company is Flying Fish Lab. This company helps business grow through innovation and reinvention, and their uniqueness is controlled disruption to the methodology, which delivers breakthrough solutions by combining outside-in thinking, cross-functional co-creation, and silo-functional work. They applied it to all kinds of challenges: innovation, productivity, marketing, brand, and more. And in this session, we also learned about supply-oriented and demand-oriented. And when we want to innovate or improve ourselves, we have to work with outsiders and think like outsiders. That is what I learned from this course. And when we want to build a smart city, we also have to learn from different kinds of suggestions from different kinds of people. And I learned that stress test and improve your ideas cross-functionally before engaging with your end users and stakeholders is very important. That's all. Thank you.
Subject of the third lecture is data analytics in regional operation. Thanks to the staff from Shopee for introducing us to the overview of Shopee and have a deeper understanding of Shopee's operating model. Through data-based operation, Shopee grew significantly to have strong presence across the region in 5 years. And in this lecture, the speaker also used some practical case studies to help us understand the importance of data analysis in the internet environment. And to operate a product, data is one aspect that has to be paid attention to, and the results of product operation are reflected in data, and the level of the data is used as the standard to measure. For different product, our focus is also different. If you want to do well in operations, you have to have data thinking, and you must cultivate your own data logic thinking and from data analysis to business value.
Hi, my name is Zhang Jiajing. I got to present for Session 4, the Copernican Revolution, Positioning x86. For summary, x86 is a computing company. With its product x86 EBT, customers can check in, take the bag from anywhere at any time. Skip the queues in the airport, fast track the departure process. For application, x86 function includes scan, identify, SIM, and check. EBT has electronic tag for luggage during the transforming tech journeys. However, during COVID-19, industry related to travel is not optimistic. The new application is that the product can be used as tracing devices that enable quick checking of packs when packs owners bring their packs outside. So if the pet owners accidentally lose their packs, they can use the product to check, hence increase the chances of finding their packs back.
The Session 5 speaker is mainly talking about an experience chat from investors' perspective. They talked about the EDBI company, which invests in globally competitive businesses to create a successful, sustainable industries and to achieve the long-term shareholders' value. Their investment focused on healthcare, information and communication technology, as well as emerging technology. Beyond traditional investment circles, their portfolio companies appreciate the long-term outlook. As for what I have learned from the case and how the strategy could be used in the real business world, before we decide whether to invest in a company, we should set a standard. Firstly, a talented and experienced leadership team who can bring the commercial success to a company. Secondly, companies should provide goods or services that fulfill the consumer's needs or solve the inefficiencies in the market. Apart from that, companies with business models that are economically viable and scalable that can return the competitive edge in the global market.
It's turn to section 6 is about data-driven given by Professor Michael. Data-driven is a process that decision is made with high empirical evidence. Data dedicates the actions taken by people that execute an event or process. This is more obviously in the big data field, where data is the bias of all actions and the analysis of data is the core motivator. Because data is now easier to gather and cheaper to store, big data analysis become one of the most useful ways for decision making in business. One application of data-driven is precision marketing. By collecting and exchanging data with other companies or even other industries, we can get better to know the needs of our customers and advertise based on this, as long as we have had a strong data analysis model. What we need to focus nowadays is the confidentiality of data and the privacy of customers. Companies need to address the confidential issues and tell out that all the recommendation is based on the database running and all the private information will not be disclosed.
That's all for our presentation. Thanks for listening.